Anti-static record sleeves. Vinyl record sleeves, 100 pieces. Inner sleeves for vinyl records, vinyl inner sleeves against scratches, dust, dirt. Record sleeves. Inner vinyl sleeves for records. Archival Quality Inner Sleeves for vinyl records. Storing your precious LPs and all your vinyl records has just gotten easier with these vinyl record sleeves. Each is made from acid-free rice paper for durable protection that won't scratch your collection, all while shielding them from dirt, dust, and debris. Must-have vinyl sleeves for serious LP enthusiasts. Safeguard your collection like a pro vinyl record collector using these vinyl sleeves. You can rest easy and have even more confidence your LPs will withstand the test of time, thanks to these no-static rice paper inner sleeves for vinyl records sized perfectly for static-free safekeeping. Storing and organizing made easier. Finally, record inner sleeves your LPs can call home. You'll love how these 3-layered 3-0 thick vinyl sleeves, made from high-density polyethylene, provide the right balance of snug and tight. The sleeve's ergonomic build and clearly marked opening also allow for quick and seamless storage. Precisely crafted for no-static storage, vintage LP collectors and enthusiasts know the heartbreak when static ruins the sound quality and crisp audio of your vinyl records. Give them a safer way to store their LPs. 12-inch rice paper record inner sleeves without any trace of acid and expertly crafted for long-term preservation. Protect 100 vinyl records in one set. Use these record sleeves inner alongside our vinyl outer sleeves to shield your vinyl records, inside and out their packaging. Always have your LP's artwork in near-mid condition while shielding the vinyl record itself from messy accidents. With 100 pieces of inner sleeves for vinyl records, you'll have plenty of extras to spare.